Ready to roll up your sleeves for something amazing? This November 15, join us for the Christmas Meal Packing Challenge. It's our biggest serving day of the season, and we need your hands, your hearts, and your energy. We're packing almost 2,000 meal packs to bless families across Luzon and Mindanao. Each pack is nutritious and enough to feed a family. It's a message of God's love, and they'll all be part of this year's Love in a Bag. So, whether you're young or young at heart, this is your chance to make a real difference. Bring your family, bring your friends, or come ready to make new ones. This isn't just packing meals, this is packing joy. So, sign up after the service, save the date, and let's show up big. November 15. One goal, one team. Let's do this for Jesus and the people He loves.